Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max on top UHF Channel 57 and Wazobia TV on top Channel 98 for GoTV. And this is the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show as in a heart. Every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say, all of the action story when they come out smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring, we go drop them down. Talk am the way anything be inside and outside. Give you license to chook mouth inside. Talk am the way anything be you for body. So that those when they lead this country go here. Do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name is Ezo Gochokwodi. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabi well and stay concerned the political matter as in a heart.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to Tuesday's edition of that Ogbonge program as in a heart. Well, with the sunshine and different activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we'll not go different. We'll also give now at least very fresh issues where we say at least issues where they affect us so that we'll go feed do it. We'll go feed rub minds together, talk about and find solution to them. And we know say government they hear us at least they will feed pick from one or two of our this of our ideas and implement them into them. Our phone lines go they very open soon. At least now so that now go they call to contribute. And then also be in mind say we get 3 solid telephone lines for now. 1 to 3 line. 2 free line we say now go call, now go talk, now go express ourselves. But the payment uncle, we now leave that one for us. My name never see change. My name is Ankubi, and this now as it is hot.
I did very sure say when we drop to the topic, plenty people go talk say yes. That is what we should be talking about. Sake of say, now the major issue when we face inside our Obodo Nigeria today be that. Make a break them down. He gets some points for our nation history when we say, he get issues when we go hold us and all of us go they complain. The one when hold us this time around, hold us with plenty muscle. They tighten us. It got to do with the Nigeria economy. And the topic when we carry come today. Now, what we go fit do exactly to fit revamp and revitalize our economy. Because when people when sabi where we don't begin to shout, say, hey, this matter don't read. Now, we say the thing not read be that. Make a break them down. Last week, Thursday, February 18th, Ogbonge senior man of book for inside this country, Professor Wole Soyinka, where he get title of Nobel laureate. He carry waka go visit the Honorable Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed. As he reach there, he come tell Alhaji Lai Mohammed say, I want to tell you something. Alhaji Lai Mohammed talk say, tell me. You know say, you get the stage where you go read book reach. If you want talk, you go guys bend your neck so that the talk go follow your mouth, come out straight, make you no come enter somewhere, come the cause make a knot they lose. He come talk say, the Nigeria economy. Now so he take talk up. The Nigeria economy is in a state of quagmire. Alhaji Lai Mohammed come talk say, sir. He said the Nigeria economy is in doldrums. He said, sir. He said the Nigeria economy is presently wading in a pestilential aqua. He said, now so Professor Wole Soyinka can speak pidgin say, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, this Nigeria economy, it don't read. Now that time, Alhaji Lai Mohammed can understand, say, yes, this is what he mean, now serious talk. He can follow pidgin, they talk, they thing, they go, he talk, say, this economy has read to the extent when we say, we need to convey emergency conference, economic conference, when we say, people wey sabi well, consumers, labor unions, experts, professors, university people, everybody go sit down to discuss this particular economy. Say if we continue like this, say the way when the Nigeria economy they go, e be like wetin wan go hit head for trailer. We go dey ask now, say, we all understand, say, na bad thing, na dey lead to bad results. As our economy don't dey like this, when we say, even the champagne of poor man, pure water, one bag don't turn 150 naira. Wetin we go fit do as a people? Wetin we go fit demand from our government? Make them do. Make this situation no come reach the one when we say we come begin to talk say, If you come dey see human being, it go come be like turkey because hunger go don hold people for neck like tie. Now the issue when we carry come, when we want to make all of na chook mouth to give advice to our government be this.
Yes, and they're a very sensitive issue. Sensitive in the sense that Right about now, we know the challenges wey they face. The rise of our economy somehow don't they face small, that is they face challenge. We should dollar case we want to talk about. We don't rise so massively within the past few weeks. Maybe say overwhelming rise, now a rise. China pounds, that is our foreign exchange. This they say we change our money to, or rather we change more particular foreign currency to our money. I mean everything don't enter that red level to the point where we say even they affect the suffer now don't even come hit the lower class, the ordinary man in the society, because I can't imagine make one go like not the same just you take talk the regular pure water we drink make they call it say pure water at this point in time say you don't top money on top of it water natural thing where we say where they natural and every other the cost of things for market don't do it don't raise not even just by 10% but almost like by 100%, and in the end nobody say all these things say our pulse they reflect as the increase they take place say they reflect for our pulse no they reflect for our pulse. That is why at least we have gotten to that stage when yes really no be even now suppose they talk about economic confab or they talk about economic conference. We just suppose all they address this since because in the first place our economy we not be the claim say we get a very strong economy. People go they look up to us. Yes, we no fit on our own part define the economy we go this sustainable to Nigerians. We go at least reflect say the way they go reflect in the life of Nigerians. So that is why we really need to deeply look into this thing and address it for once. I think it's a good thing say the prof don't even raise this issue. I think make we see whether they go take a serious find solution to that.
Are they happy say now after 9 months now the prof can they raise this particular issue? Because I know say the prof now somebody when me say any issue when he see in they like to contribute inside them. I like the way when you take go round or the talk when you talk say our economy, the country and everything like that. Thank God say for the first time you no blame somebody say this condition wey we dey today when we don't see as everything dey how we go take we rescue am na because you no carry the thing blame somebody. It's a very good thing. I'm very if no be say the girl wey thing dey I for begin dey somersault dey shout say thank God say you no blame somebody. Then number two, one thing you need to understand is say
in the mood to answer.
You will be in the mood.
I'm not in the mood.
Don't worry, I will put you in the mood.
Just go ahead.
Ukubi, we get economic team. I mean we no get economic team for this country. We get economic team.
Make we assume say we get.
Make we assume say
hey! No, on the ground say if we know they see their work effectively now assumption we go put out.
Hey Nigerians, we don't enter one chance. Nkubi, you fit come television they tell Nigerians say Chukudi, make we assume say we get economic team for this country.
No, Chukudi, see if we get
I go speak English. I am flabbergasted.
If it be flabbergasted anything it's your cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. But you must hear me out. Hear the reason why I talk so. Okay, if we really get economic team, how well have they been able to define the economy?
Are you asking me? No, maybe gonna ask you.
Why could you ask me about in Nigeria like you?
No, hey, I know
why they carry this talk go.
Wait, where they carry talk go? In fact, when did they campaign?
I have turned born again on this.
You have turned born again?
Yes. Let us collectively as Nigerians join hands together and address this issue. This issue is not affecting just any individual. You know, they affect the ruling party. It affects everybody.
Hey, Nkubi, you know why they show?
So that is why we need to at least
Nkubi, you know why
Nigeria.
Nkubi, you know why Nkubi, you know
one you and me as brother will be.
You know why they control myself? You know why they hold myself? Why I know?
Why no come and find rope? Tie yourself. Make we no say no. Tie yourself for once. Maybe we try and be on that
Nkubi,
one.
you don't forget all the thing when you talk before election.
Say waiting.
And you fit come here now and the time you say make we assume say we get economic team.
Chukudi, no. See, my assumption
hey.
On the basis say we just assume so we get economic team. Now on the ground say look, the economy at this stage don't they enter red level.
What did they do to come out for red level?
That is why I said make we assume say they get, but they know they do their work.
Hey!
Now what now talk? Maybe they just sit down there, just be an economic team, then they do their work.
Hey,
because now all these things, look, in the first place, countries suppose they foresee or probably look forward to say, okay, how they will take redefine or...
So you agree, say all the people when there is government now, they know they see anything. They know they see front. Hey! People when they out, they go to shock why they shout like this. But I know, say those when watch us before election, even after election, hey!
Chukudi, will you stop crying? Make we just address this, please.
Nkubi, this is a case of say you carry your pikin no sabi book. because maybe he inherit
Please, don't go that way.
No, may I just give the example?
No, please, don't give me that as
okay, so you will be very intelligent. Everybody know that one.
No, I don't even want any example from you because in the end, you always find one lousy, let me not use the word lousy, but
okay.
one naughty thing.
See this man. The man dey intelligent. The man marry wife wey no sabi anything. The man and the wife come born pikin when we say na the wife he take book resemble he no sabi anything. You can't go carry lesson teacher wey go teach this pikin book. Come go carry lesson teacher wey no sabi anything. Nkubi, how you go dey tell me say make we assume for this country say we get economic team?
Let me.
Temitope from Shomolu, come and rescue me.
It is a general.
Temitope from Temitope from
right from time. In the first place,
I know they hear what you talk. Temitope, good morning and welcome to Asiri Hot. You say
good morning.
Good morning, Temitope. Hey.
And good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. Please, I would like to address the way you talk for ground. I mean, as I just join you now.
Okay.
The issue of economic change. I think in the last dispensation we had economic change.
Thank you.
By the then minister of
coordinating minister of the economy. They don't write everything. They inside paper. What would they do? Hey.
Would they hear
you?
Hello, but I would say, let us be sincere here. What direction did that economic change take us?
Thank you very much.
We are still at this roundabout.
Thank you very much.
I mean, for many years, the economic team were there. They did not do anything tangible. If they had done it, we should have moved up from the point we had now.
Oh, bless you,
Temitope. Was talking about. We have economic team headed by the vice president, Yemi Osinbajo. It's only that maybe the press is not carrying so much of their activities.
No, Oga Temitope, if the economic team...
Allow him to talk.
Oga Temitope, no. Oga Temitope no go talk, say, the press, no, they carry wetin they do. Take, for example, on the war against corruption, if we open newspaper, we dey see am. Everybody they see, say, then they arrest people. But if we dey talk about, say, putting economic policies when they work, Nigerians go begin to see the result. The pure water will be 150 naira today. Now the part of the thing when press no they carry, if you go suffer, you know what they press or not, everybody go feel am.
Make Temitope finish now.
Okay, no, it's good. I like your let us be interactive. So we gain from each other. It is good. Actually, I would say the press did not carry much of their activities because they hear at one time or the other in the papers meetings where they have. But the point is that this budget, where they get issues, where they never pass, will not actually give us the direction where the government won't go. It is on the budget is passed, we will get the direction where the government won't go.
Oga Temitope, I like say you identify, say that budget get issue. And the budget supposed to be, it just be like saying that the great plan where everybody go carry go. So with the try talk, say this economic thing when we get, with all the book when they sabi and everything when they know, even like I said, they don't know where they I don't.
Oga Temitope, thank you very much for that contribution. You don't make your own solid point. And at least we get Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi,
I'm leaving you 1-0 on this issue now.
General God also saw you and who? Oga Chukwudi, talk to me.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Oga Chukwudi, I greet you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Honestly, this our economy now, it don't reach cancerous level. If nothing urgent is done, I tell you, in a couple of months now, we won't be talking about Naira again. You see, I want the government to let it go beyond party this time around. If person is sick, don't be say, we'll get doctor, but we'll get specialist. Now you go meet the specialist, we go now remove that particular element. You see, like I said, this issue now, not the issue where they say it must be from APC. Let them go outside party this time. Get consultants, get people, assemble a team of economic experts. We go now come in, sit down, draw the map, tell us the way we will go. You see, I don't want to believe that if you're a driver, you buy a car, because say that you get the car, if anything happens inside the car, you go do it yourself. Before you know, you go knock your motor engine. You get electrician, you get mechanic, you get vulcanizer. These are people where they work for that motor where you get. At any point in time, the motor there defective in one of these angles. Now you go to the appropriate person.
Very true.
Now, what Nigeria needs now the appropriate economic policy and personalities to drive this country forward. Thank you and God bless you.
Oga Chukudi, thank you very much for this important point where you don't carry come. And Nkubi, from what Oga Chukudi don't talk, it is very obvious. Say, it be like say those when they that economic team today, it be like say they don't sabi waiting and they do. Oga, you are there, they call us all the way from Sulere, making it 3-0. Oga, you are there, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, how you are there?
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
We dey hear you. Good morning, sir.
What I can say about Nigerian politics. Hello?
We dey hear, right on.
Nigerian politics is garbage. It's totally garbage. Dustbin.
Okay, fine. I will make we hear the reasons why you talk so. Which angle they bring am from? What you probably see way make you describe what make you see Nigeria this as garbage.
Can you hear me?
Would they hear you? I say why you talk so?
You see, our leaders have turned this what is it called? This government, they've turned it to family. How should I even put it? They don't turn them to
family property. Their company, private company.
Family. God bless you, my brother. See, in my own area now, they are selling one sachet of pure water for 20 naira.
One sachet of pure water, 20 naira.
For
yes.
where? For Surulere?
In Ikorodu here. Although I live in Surulere, but I'm right now in Ikorodu.
20 naira.
And hello?
Would they hear?
And if Nigerian economic is not balanced, this country can never be balanced. It's not a cost. I'm very sure this our government self, then they hear everything that they talk. I don't see anything where Buhari they talk, where they do, sorry. I don't see anything where they do.
Oga, you are there. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. You dropped some very important points. Number one, be say the political class, the way we take put them, you know, look whether party, umbrella or broom, you just talk them straight, say they don't do the right thing when they're supposed to, and now why we did this condition we did today. And from the one when you take wrap them up, not be about talk, now about action. If you talk, and we know they see the result, while I don't dey inside our country be that. Nkubi, whether we like them or not. Whether we like am or not, see, make I tell you, anything will happen for this country, everybody go point hand give the government. You know why? Because the government they control the apparatus and apparatchik and all of the organs of state. These organs then they go use do wetin go dey right. Let us stop say see so when they happen, see who they blame. Everybody knows say the problem we they face today. Now say we don't get one serious issue, and how we go take we address this issue. They talk say now from clap, now in dance they start. Now from Friday night, now they know how Saturday go be. If we get policies when we say Nigerians feel look say okay now make we suffer for 6 months or even 1 year or even 4 years so that our children go enjoy, it go be. But if it come be like say the people when they there, they don't know wetin the thing don't pass them. Say now make we put vacancy, say make new people come enter inside that place. No, no. Tell me one sachet of pure water 20 naira. She mean a person call to talk this thing. One sachet of pure water will be essential. If even bad say we not even get pipe-borne water for this country. And the one way that they say 20 naira for one.
Well, Chukudi, I know follow you argue on this thing. Fine. Because
why you going to calm me? Why you going to calm me down? Why they calm me down? Why they calm me down?
The matter hits everybody now.
But
everybody
you know
everybody they are
you know eat you.
No, what do you mean by that?
You know eat you.
They talk as if they buy pure water 15 naira here. You know as they go now.
Why you come TV come they talk about?
Why not go talk am because now waiting hit me too, he hit you. And I know say Oga go self, they hit am as well. Oga go good morning.
I know greet you this morning, Oga.
Have I said anything wrong? Oga go good morning.
First of all, Dr. Chief Shukudi, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga Go.
I refer me as Prof.
I decided to promote you this morning.
Thank you.
Oga Ukubi, I decided to call you Lai Mohammed Ukubi this morning for reasons because since when this government corner, you don't wear suit every day, and your body is fresh now. You are a suspect. This our economy now. Before it was creeping. It was creeping, but it's no longer creeping. It's not stagnant.
It don't even dey one place. No, they even creep again.
It dey one place. Do you know the cost of Indomie in Abuja?
Hi.
Before the cost of Indomie was 1,200 in Abuja, but now Indomie is 1,600. A bag of rice is going for 14,000. A bag of rice I buy for 9,500, 10,000. It's not 14,000. In fact, not be even meeting. now community meeting they go do for this our economy now because the poor people in fact they suffer. We say suffer everywhere now, not the small thing.
Oga Igo.
Yes.
Okay, the poor people they suffer. Prices of everything they increase. If they tell you say okay, give government one advice of what they fit do now to use make our economy make it even stand straight first before it start to the waka, which advice you will give government?
The advice I go give government be say may they look to the cry of the masses. Not be because now our government our government not they listen to the masses. They take advice from the high class citizens. You get me? Somebody they high will say the economy now don't balance. This will not do. We try our best. No, go to the masses. If you go to the masses, if you ask the masses what they happen for communities, for villages, if you hear their response, you go declare state of emergency for economy.
But Ogaigo, make we even tell ourselves some good truths. Nobody need to remind anybody say at least say people where they suffer. At least I mean, supposed to know that one.
No. See,
normally, why they even say they won't lead in the first place? They're supposed to say there are people out there who say where they go through hard times.
What you don't understand here, the rich are getting richer, the poor are getting poorer. The first one, if you say, if you like, person don't get money, if you increase the toothpaste, go 3,000 naira. When you get the money, you go buy them. You don't go complain. You went before man, you increase toothpaste, go 3,000 naira. Now you will complain before you go buy. Not they get money, no go complain now. Because you don't store the money for warehouse. If you like, maybe because when the economy go up, small time go come down again. So before you go come down, you get the money. So you will not complain. That's a bit.
Okay, go. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't already talk and say if we check the way in our country day, it just be like say we get rich versus poor. And it go very, very important make government do wetin dey right so that we no go get serious crisis for this our country when go pitch two classes of people against each other. Quickly, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue this our discussion. People don't drop their points. We go like maybe people they give solutions to all these problems so they face our country to move this our country forward. No go anywhere. Now still as Ide complete time.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.